Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about some useful functions in PHP. So let's try some useful methods. Let's take the variable classes and get declared classes. Then print R classes. And when we check the result, here you can see that we have so many classes that are running at this moment. So let's go through each class one by one. For each classes, add class and then echo class. And here you can see that we have this std class and there are so many classes. Let's count these classes and print its value. So the classes count and classes. And here you can see that we have total 179 classes. And here is our class at the end, gamebox. Let's add a line here so you can easily see it. And here you can see that our gamebox class is in last. Let's try another function. Echo class exists gamebox. And here you can see that yes, there is one class exists, which means true. One means true. Yes, this class exists. Now let's print get class variables. It will print all the variables of this class gamebox. And here it is: name, width, height and count. And if we change this to get class methods, then these are the methods name: construct, destruct, get property, get, set property, set, call, toString and description and sales. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.